Alright, this is an older Craftsman LT1000, 16 horsepower, Briggs & Stratton single cylinder 4-stroke. Runs and operates, everything works. It's got new fuel lines, fuel filter, oil change, basic stuff, new battery. Belts look good, deck's quiet when running, blades are pretty decent, all tires hold air, 6-speed rear transaxle. I think this one has the, this has cable operated deck. Let's see, what else? Pretty solid little mower. It does smoke, that's the biggest issue with the whole thing. Starts easy, still has plenty of power. Mostly smokes under heavy load and startup, so it's really not too bad yet, but getting there. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Not too crazy. Craftsman, it's probably early 2000s, early to mid, so say like 2000 to 2005, roughly. I was gonna take a guess. 42-inch 2-blade deck. Yeah, that's pretty much all I got. Start it up, show you how it runs. New fuel filter and fuel lines. I think I already said that, but say it again just in case. Steering's nice and easy to turn. There's a little slop in there, about 1/8 a turn roughly. Probably does have higher hours. The smoke's a little bit. There you go, saw a little puff there. Really not too bad. Brakes, yeah, they're there. Not too great, but there. Deck. Nice and quiet. See it smoking just a tad up there. Deck is just phenomenally quiet. One thing Craftsman always been good at is keep the deck quiet. Yard machine and all those, they kind of, not necessarily loud, but certainly a lot more decibels than this. Deck lift. It is a pretty fast mower and you put it into 6th. I'm not going to do that here, but I'll show you. Good steering radius. One of the better. Craftsman's always been pretty good at that too. Yeah. Not too bad. It's charging. See down there. Let's see. Nice little mower. Lights don't work. They're not hooked up. Yeah, if you have any questions, throw in the comments. Otherwise, have a good one.